What if you knew that people had died to give us the right to do something? Something so significant and something that so many others in the world dream that they could do. I'm talking about exercising your right to vote. This was something that people in the past had to fight for. Voting is a right that generations of Americans struggled to win, and a right that people in other countries are still fighting for. And this freedom to vote was one for us. A majority of citizens in the U.S. feel as if their single vote does not matter and holds no weight in elections, so they see no point in voting. Some people see their vote as being very, very small. But when so many people have that mentality, the balance will certainly tilt. However, each and every vote is important. When you vote, whether it's on a national level or local, you are taking part in a democracy, which is a collective decision-making process. And the purpose of this democracy is so that every person has a say in what goes on. Citizens of the U.S. should use this opportunity that is given to them to voice their opinion and make a difference and affect the country by voting. The entire idea of democracy is built on people exercising their right to vote. According to the U.S. Census, in the November 2016 election, only 56% of citizens voted, and only 64.2% were registered to vote. Additionally, in the November 2018 election, only 49% of citizens voted, and only 61.3% were registered to vote. After hearing these statistics, you can see that nearly half the population of the United States does not participate in voting. And so many have this mentality that their vote does not matter and does not make a difference because they believe that the Electoral College has it covered. But if you look at the midterm elections, there is no Electoral College. So your vote does make a difference because you get to choose the lawmakers and the politicians. And by voting in municipal elections, which are local elections, you can choose to make a difference in the things that affect you. This includes things like education, policing, and jobs in your community. Everyone should vote. It is your democratic right to vote, and voting helps affect change, and also ensures that your voice is heard. Voting is important because with the power to choose what happens in this country, we make America stronger. And you personally can make America a stronger country by making the electoral process better, and that's by voting.